Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. White Knight is in the air again. Glide test today. And I got some information about the value of the stock, where I see it going, what's happening today, and other news around Virgin Galactic SPCE stock. First of all, this morning we saw disappointing SpaceX didn't get in the air. That's not a good advert for Virgin Galactic. Hence, the stock hasn't done that much at the moment because, of course, at the end of the day, it's all very well and good, having Virgin Galactic up today in the air. But however, the publicity around space today isn't great, and because of Virgin Orbit and because of the whole economic climate, it's making big investors very nervous about Virgin Galactic. Let's have a quick look at it first of all, and let's see. You can see it in the air now. This is White Knight flying around doing tests. It's being trailed, as it often does in this situation. But let's look at the stock price right now. Here is Virgin Galactic. Now, this is my scalp position. This is not my long-term position. My long-term position, I'm still in and adding to it. This is my scalp position on my Roth IRA. It enables me to buy and sell Virgin Galactic as many times as I like a day, and make profit from it without paying any taxes whatsoever. So that's a good thing to do, right? Because at the end of the day, we don't know where it's going. We just want to make money from it. And my portfolio is consistently up. I try to aim to make $200 a day without putting any money in. Just make money every day, money from money, right? So let's have a look at it. This is the stock right now, and it popped up 3.5%. Now, that's nothing. That's nothing at all, considering it's in the air. It's not going to do that much. I wouldn't be surprised if it goes back down to 3 before the end of the day. This, however, is what's really important. So let's go over to this right now. This is what's more important. This story here. Will Virgin Galactic SPCE trail the rest of the stocks in the industrial sector? This has just come out. Very important bit of information here that I want to share with you. The way the stock is viewed. And that's what it's all about. Remember, the stock price is just the value of the stock, not the value of the company. A rating of 23 puts Virgin Galactic near the top of the industrial sector, according to Investor Observer. Virgin Galactic Holdings' score of 23 means that it ranks higher than 23% of stocks in the sector. In addition, its overall score of 29 ranks it higher than 29% of all stocks. What do these ratings mean? This is important to understand what this actually means. Trying to find the best stocks can be a daunting task. There are a wide variety of ways to analyze stocks in order to determine which ones are performing the strongest. Investors Observer makes an entire process easier by using percentile rankings that allows you to easily find the stocks who have the strongest evaluations by analysts. Remember, the analysts are very often have their own agenda, though, so you have to read in between the lines here. This ranking system incorporates numerous factors used by analysts to compare stocks in greater detail. This allows you to find the best stocks available in the industrial sector with relative ease. Let's carry on. What's happening with Virgin Galactic today? Okay, let's have a little look at this. This is how the stock is being viewed. Virgin Galactic stock is trading at 3.43 as of 10:03 a.m. this morning, just a couple of hours ago, a rise of 10 cents or 3.01% from the previous closing price. The stock is trading between 3.33 and 3.45 so far today. Volume is light. Volume today is light. That's what I'm talking about. Right now, the volume is light. So it doesn't matter how bullish that you are, this stock does not have a bullish outlook at the moment from the big investors, okay? Now, I still believe in Virgin Galactic. You know I've worked for Sir Richard Branson. I'm fully aware of where this is going or where it could go. However, I think you need to be scalping this at the moment. All right, it's coming back down now. I didn't see it get to 50,000 feet, which is its deployment when it deploys Unity. 50,000 feet is when they give the command release, release, release. So I don't know. There's no confirmation if that's happened yet. So we don't know what's about to occur or what actually has happened. But looking at the stock price right now, I am a little bit concerned. I am at the moment simply scalp trading this stock all the way so I end up with free money. At the end of the day, if I keep doing that over and over again, eventually I'll make money whether it goes up, whether it goes down, because I'll own all the stocks for free. That's the way I'm looking at it. Okay, there is no other news. I talk to my contacts all the time at Virgin Galactic. They're not bringing me any news. There's nothing to report there. Looking at the way analysts are reviewing it this morning is a concern as well. But also on top of all of that, it looks like, and I can't confirm that right now, but it looks like that Eve didn't deploy. That's all I can say. We're at 17,000 feet. We're coming back down again. We got to 50,000 or just below 50,000 and nothing happened. Now, I don't know if that's because Eve didn't deploy. I don't know. I'm watching it. I'll see if we get any more news throughout the day. I think that's it for the minute. Just a quick update. But my strategy of this is I'm still bullish. I'm still in. I'm still holding my position. I'll share with you my actual position. Look, if I go to my actual position on Virgin Galactic, here's my brokerage position. Currently, I'm holding 336 shares. That's the right balance, 3% of the portfolio, because it's now gone into a much higher risk category. It was reduced from 4,000 shares at one point down to 336. I'm not selling any of those, and I'm adding when it goes down. But my scalp position is my Roth IRA, and that's where I can sell, buy and sell over and over again, tax-free, all day long. I bought it last week for $3. I sold it for $3.60. Took profit on that. I'm going to keep doing that and doing that and doing that until I've recouped the 40 grand losses I've made with the Virgin brand, Virgin Orbit and Virgin Galactic. But this isn't a great pop today, considering the fact it's in the air. But did it have an unsuccessful glide test? I don't know. We'll find out as the day progresses. As we know, Virgin Galactic is no longer the king of marketing as it used to be when Richard Branson was currently, really involved. In fact, he hasn't reacted at all to Virgin Orbit, and that's gone bust. So at the end of the day, it's not the Virgin brand that we came to, know and love. But we'll keep our eye on it. I don't see any point in chasing the stock at all. Excuse me. I've got my long position. I'll hold it. And when it goes up, I'll trim some off because I know it will come back down again. But I'm not chasing this right now. I wish you all the very best. Just a bit of breaking news there today. We'll try and find out if they actually got Unity deployed or if it was a failure. And I'll try and get some information from my sources at Virgin Galactic. Till next time. Have a wonderful day. Join us live this afternoon for the closing bell. We've got a $1,000 value giveaway. If you want to know about that, join the live show and I'll give you the information for that. Check out all my links below, Martyn Investor at Twitter, and you can see all my posts before and after show so you don't miss anything. Till next time, take care of yourselves and each other.